Hello, in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing from Norman's Orchids. And I actually have something a little bit interesting to say about this. So this is the first Norman's Orchids order that I've done off of eBay. And I'm sure it's because they get less orders on eBay than they do through their actual site. But usually they ship out their orchids when you order on their website on Mondays. And this one shipped out like a day after I ordered it, so I actually got it quicker than I would have gotten it if I ordered it on the Norman's Orchids website. However, there's my finger. There's not anywhere near the amount of orchids available on their eBay page as there are on the website. So I wouldn't just, say F the website and not order off of there. I still will order off the website, but I did think that it's interesting that the eBay order shipped out faster than if I had ordered it on the website. Anyways, let's get into this box because, man, it's got a lot of styrofoam packaging. So let me get my trash can, and I have my wonderful trash can down here, which also has the recent corpse of my normal Leica Ringans, which unfortunately passed away. Well, I decided to throw it away today. I'm not sure if it's totally dead yet, but there's no new growth points and there's only one good bulb on there, so it's going in the trash. I'm so excited! Hopefully I don't fuck up these buds! Let me show you. I'm so excited. It has buds. There you go. So let me clean this girl up. And I will also adjust the camera angle so you can get a better look at this orchid and its flowers. Okay, so here we are, and I'm so excited about this. So let me show you the tag. So this is Phalaenopsis, if it'll focus on my hand. There we go. So this is Phalaenopsis Mini Lemon Drop Sweetheart. So this is a selection of the Phalaenopsis Mini Lemon Drops that Norman selected to clone. I think Norman goes to these places and he finds, if they have a bunch of this whatever cross they have, and he'll pick a specific plant from the cross that he wants to mirror clone. And a lot of times they will have the let me show you. A lot of times they'll have the Sweetheart, or they'll be Funktastic, which is also his sort of like trademark name. Well, not trademark, but his specific name that he gives to his mirror clones. So, as you can see on the tag, or maybe you can't, it's a cross of Ison Venus with Tetraspis Forma Alba. And, oh, well, we're gonna be honest here, boys and girls, and in-betweens. Look at this thing right here. I don't know if you can see her, but there is a mealybug on there. So not super happy about that, but death to mealybugs. No shade to mealybugs, but y'all are horrible. Anyways, so you can see it's got a nice yellow flower. It's actually pretty substantive. I think this one just opened, and I'm not really getting a fragrance off of it right now, but Norman did say on his website that it is fragrant, so I'll be expecting that and might give you an update. Actually, by the time these have opened, these will probably have been opened before I edit the video, so I'll probably put in the description whether or not it's fragrant. But yeah, this is it. Let me just check. Usually when there's one mealybug, there's like more, but I don't see any mealies up in the crevices here. But I will spray this down, particularly in the let me just do it online, or not online, but on video, so you can see what I do when I find mealybugs on a plant. I get my trusty thing of isopropyl, and I just, mainly in the crevices, and then I'll put it out next to a fan for it to dry off. But yeah, here it is, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if that little bud on the tip chooses to grow. But it's got 5 buds and 1 open flower. So I'm very excited, and actually the lip looks kind of interesting. It's got an interesting shape. I've never really seen a lip that maybe Ludemaniana, I'm thinking, could have given the shape of this lip, but it is very interesting. And yeah, the roots. The roots are there. It's actually dry. And it's got a bunch of growing root tips, so if that's the only mealybug that was on here, although usually they come in packs like wolves, that's great if it's the only mealybug. If not, hopefully I killed the rest of them with that little isopropyl application. Because yeah, I don't see any under the leaves or anything. Yeah, that's all there is to it. This has been the orchid unboxing of Phalaenopsis Mini Lemon Drop Sweetheart from Norman's Orchids eBay shop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!